Hey loser, get in. We're doing the weather, the best part of the day. Losers are the people who don't already follow. Everyone who already follows me is gorgeous and their butt looks good. We've got rounds of thunderstorms with heavy rainfall and flash flood threat for the upper Midwest continuing through Monday. Scattered thunderstorms are expected across portions of the Northeast, the Carolinas, the Florida Gulf Coast, and the Southwest for the next couple of days, bringing isolated threats of flash flooding wherever those are hitting. And altogether hazardous heat is building up across parts of the plains, the Midwest, the lower Mississippi Valley through early next week. Erin, now classed as a Category 4 hurricane. On the forecast track, the center of Erin is expected to move away from the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico through Sunday and then pass to the east of the Turks and Caicos Islands and the southeastern Bahamas Sunday night and Monday. The outer rain bands of Erin will continue to produce areas of heavy rainfall and gusty winds near the northern Leeward Islands tonight and near the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico through Sunday. Locally, considerable flash and urban flooding along with landslides, mudslides are possible, and swells generated by Erin will affect portions of the northern Leeward Islands, Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, and the Turks and Caicos Islands through the weekend. These swells will spread to the Bahamas, Bermuda, and the east coast of the United States by early next week. These rough ocean conditions will likely cause life-threatening surf and rip currents. Please consult products from local weather forecasts for more information on Erin. Temperatures for the continental United States. We've got West Coast still seeing very moderate, nice, wonderful 70s, 80s, low 90s. They're doing fine. Let's just move on. Mountain states, 80s, 90s, 100s. Nothing too crazy, though. You're hot. It's still summer. Stay safe out there. Don't die. Plains Poo is very hot. Very hot, continuing to be very, very hot. It's very hot everywhere unless you're up in the lake states and North Dakota, but everywhere else is hot. Midwest, same story. Ignore the lake states. Everywhere else is very hot. High 90s in a lot of areas. East Coast, similar story. We can ignore up at Maine, 65. What even is that? And just the rest of everybody is hot. And we're talking from southern Maine down, really. Parts of the Canadian border are okay, but everybody else is hot as crap. Lots of low 90s, lots of high humidity. McMurdo Station out on the Ross Sea in Antarctica sitting at 1 degree positive Fahrenheit, but they do have winds coming in from the south-southeast at 29 miles per hour with gusts up to 44 miles per hour, giving them a real feel of negative 34 degrees. Alaska, nothing on your precipitation map right now. You might have an Arctic low coming in mid next week, Wednesday or so, and through the weekend. We will continue to check out that as it develops. Highs in Alaska today, 54 for the Arctic Circle, lots of high 50s for the interior, some low 60s as well. Lots of 50s along the Bering Sea, 62, 59 for the Aleutians, 66 to 72 near Anchorage, and 66 for the and 60 for the Panhandle. Hawaii's got moderate to locally breezy traits continuing through tonight with passing windward and Mauka showers. Tropical cyclone Ivo will have some remnants passing over you Sunday, Monday. That'll bring an increase in clouds and showers, mainly in the windward Mauka areas and on the smaller islands. Another plume of moisture increase may happen around Wednesday as well. Otherwise, dry and stable conditions after Tuesday for most areas, so we'll keep an eye on all of that. High temperatures today in Hawaii in the low 80s to the low 90s. I'm Ayla Mooney, and I'd like you to remember that two things can be true at once. I don't know, it's just something that bugs me. People forget that all the time. Have critical thinking. Touch your toes. You need to stretch. Get up and stretch.